Hello and welcome to Sunday Morning Builds with Bricksntech. This week it's Halloween weekend, so we're going to dive into this Lego set, which is set number 40497, the Halloween Owl. This will be the first type of build of this sort that I have done before. There aren't many of these on the market, and I thought an appropriate one to do for Halloween. This set has 228 pieces, which is a similar piece count to Brickhead's, but a completely different build, and I believe the owl wings and possibly the owl head both move. So this should be a fun build to do. See, open up the contents and see what is inside. I like to preserve my boxes, so I don't generally use the rip tab, but maybe for this one I'm going to have to. There we are. One, two, three bags. And the instruction booklet. How many? 92 steps to this build. Very good. And if you like this content, please subscribe to the channel. I will do a speed build for this and then come back with my review of set number 40497, the Halloween Owl. Thank you for staying around until the end here. This is my review of the Halloween Owl, and I have to say I was actually quite impressed with this build. This took about 25 minutes to put together, and even though the piece count at 228 is a little less than what the Brickheads normally are, this took much longer to put together, and that's not a problem. It's quite enjoyable. A similar build to Brickheads, and certainly the Owl, but in a very different way, and that's what made it so enjoyable. I guess that it surprised me at the beginning. I'm just going to take this apart. In that, in the base, there is a surprise. And you may or may not have picked it up in the speed build, but hopefully this won't come apart in too many pieces. But there's a little Easter egg here, and it's a spider, which is I thought was a pretty neat thing to include. But there's some functionality to the spider. So it certainly has two moving pieces here, but Lego could have easily put a 2x2 brick in the middle here, so when the top of the base plates come on to stick it to the bottom, but they didn't. They decided to put an Easter egg in here in the form of a spider with the Halloween theme, and that acts, because it's the height of these outside bricks, that acts as key stability for when you put the base plate back on. So you can press down on the various pieces to make sure it's all locked into place. I thought that was pretty neat and something that should have been highlighted, or should be highlighted. So that was really cool. the owl has the wings move. The head doesn't. I mentioned prior to the speed build, I thought the head was also a moving piece, but it's not. The head doesn't move, but the body of the owl moves with this rotator piece. Put that back on. But when it moves, it knocks into that pumpkin. So I'm not sure if that's just a matter of space. I don't think I made any errors in terms of positioning these things. That's a very small thing, it's not as though I'm going to be sitting here playing with it as such. But overall, very impressed. Even the way the face was done. Get those big owl eyes and the face or the cheeks. And then the eyebrows. I'm not sure what they call them on ours. Yeah, but very impressed as my first build with this style of, I don't know if you call it a brickhead or not, but with the base plate and the character on top. And of course the Halloween theme, and Halloween is taking place this weekend. So that's it, my review of set number 40497, Halloween Owl. If you like this content, please subscribe to the channel. It would be greatly appreciated. And until next time, goodbye.